guys, it's Jackie, and I am here with another video. Yes, as you can see, we went a little dark today. Today we're getting down into the dark, mysterious look. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm feeling a dark, smoky grunge today because past week has been just off for me. I was sick, and then we had that like super freezing cold weather which froze our water, and now we have like a clog in the water line coming into the house, which means the bathroom sink has no hot or cold. The washer has no cold and barely any hot. And on top of that, I am not happy with the Super Bowl outcome. Don't even get me started there. So we're going for dark and grungy because that is my vibe today. So let's get it started. Okay, so I'm thinking about being a little matchy, matching my shirt, doing like a dark burgundy type grunge. So I'm gonna start in the special occasion palette. We haven't seen this in a little while, have we? I'm gonna start off with this brown color right there, and I'm gonna use that. As a transition shade. As soon as I find my brushes. Why do I never have my brushes ready? I say this every video and still never have them out and ready. All right, let's get into that color. All right, we need to move these sponges. We are not using these at the moment. Okay, let's get into this. Holla. Oh, I didn't set my lid. Shoot. Well, I used Jessie's Girl primer, and I did not set it down with a powder. But, whatever. It's not mandatory. So, how did y'all enjoy the Super Bowl? I know you're watching this on Tuesday, not Monday, but I already had a video planned for Monday, so here's that video after I'm filming after Super Bowl. So how did you like the outcome? I dislike it very, very much so. Being a Buffalo Bills fan, we hate the Patriots with a passion. So any team that can beat the Patriots, hallelujah. Any team that cannot, including the Bills, because they make me mad. So, but anywho's, the commercials weren't that great. Halftime show. I'm just glad it was newer music, like a band I actually know. Not these like old bands from like, I don't know, the 80s. Okay, I think we're gonna go in the crease with this like reddish color. I'm gonna use a different brush. Henry! The cat's meowing. I don't know what his problem is. So what did you guys do over the weekend? I did a whole lot of nothing. It was kind of a boring weekend. We didn't really do much. Besides mess with the water and try to get it unfrozen. And yeah. So now we're going to take a flat eyeshadow brush. Not like a flat, but like a, you know, an eyeshadow brush. And we're going to go in to this color right below the one we just used in the crease. And we're going to put it all over the lid. It's looking a little less burgundy and a little more purple. We will fix that up. We will make it more of a burgundy and less of a purple. Okay. I don't know what the heck is wrong with me today. Alright, let's see. What's in here? The LA Color I Love Makeup Palette. Okay, we're going to take another brush. We're going to go into this pretty burgundy, sparkly, shimmery color, but we're going to go into it dry. Just to see if we can't get this a little more burgundy, little less purple. Although, this color like perfectly matches my shirt. But there. I like that. Little purple. God, I am so weird today. I do not know why. Love that. Oh, yes. Okay. Now, we need to go back into the other palette. Into that purpley color that we put all over the lid. And we're going to put it on a little crease brush. And we're going to buff above where we just put that pretty shimmer burgundy, and we're just gonna kind of blend that. I'm up patting just a little black with my finger just on the outer corner to kind of give it a little bit of depth. So we're gonna go into the black right there. Ooh, knocking stuff down. Okay, just a hint. Yes. Okay, now we're going to go back into that transition shade. We're going to blend the edges. Let's see if we can't go back into that beautiful... back and forth. Beautiful lid color and kind of blend it into that black a little better. Alright, I am going to attempt to do a wing. Cross your fingers because I'm very nervous. I'm going to actually use... I'm so nervous, guys. I'm actually going to use E.L.F. gel or cream eyeliner and an angled brush. Should I try to use this one? Guys, should I try to use this brush? I'm nervous, but we're gonna go for it. Okay, so I want to do one more thing on the lid. I want to pop a little of this fire right in the middle, and I'm going to use my finger once I clean it off. It's pretty obvious, wings, not my expertise. All right. Maybe I'll wet my finger. I feel like it'll stand out better. Yeah, just want that little character right there in the middle. Okay, I'm going to pop on lashes, clean up the bottom, and when I come back, we will do the drop shadow. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's do the drop shadow. We are gonna use that. We're gonna use the crease shade. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna use that one. I'm knocking stuff over. Okay, let's do this. I feel like this isn't the right brush. Here we go. Make sure that black isn't on it. Okay. Ooh, now we're gonna go into the lid color we used. I'll pop a little of that down there. Just focused more in the center. Some black. There's a black in here as well. We'll just pop in that. And on the outer corner, just a little. Just to connect it to that wing there. Woohoo, there we go. Holla. All right, let's do some liner. I'm gonna use the same cream liner on the bottom. With this lovely straight liner brush. Or not. Maybe we'll use the other liner brush. That one doesn't seem stiff enough to work. Okay. Forgive me if the liner takes me 13 years. I'm not used to using a cream liner. Badass, man. Okay, now you need the mascara. I look mean. Alright, E.L.F. waterproof blanket volume, because I like waterproof on my bottom because my eyes water all the time. Okay. So let's do a quick powder. Do we want a powder? You know what? I don't think I want a powder. I'm not going to powder. I'm just going to use my Longwear Sheer Envy Setting Spray by Hard Candy. Whoop whoop! My face doesn't match my neck because I used a little too much bronzer. Let's see what we have here. Let's try this liquid catsuit metallic lipstick. We find a close enough. I'm gonna use this stereoscopic lip liner in the color I have no idea, but it hopefully will match. It's way redder than I wanted it. It's way redder than it looked like it was gonna be. All right. Hold on. It's looking a little red, but I'm not sure if that's because of the, wow, I'm looking kind of goth, guys. Not sure if that's because of the lip liner, so I'm going to take this off, try a different lip liner, and see if I can get it to be a little more purple liner and see if that makes a difference. I think it will. I hope. now let's try. Okay, so here it is, a final look, my lovely dark grunge. I feel like I'm channeling my inner gothic right now. I went a little dark, especially matching the lips to the eyes and the shirt, and I'm feeling a little dark right now, but that's okay because sometimes you need to let your darkness out. So that is what I did today. Oh, goodness. So we let our darkness out, and it's okay. You shouldn't hide it away all the time. Let it show. It looks good. Darkness can be beautiful. So that is today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'm so sorry I point to the wrong spot every time. Please subscribe. Yeah. And hit that little bell. Become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. And be alerted as soon as my videos pop up on the YouTubes. And also, don't forget, there's a link in my description box for my Facebook page, Beauty Obsessions with Jackie. Once I get enough people, I will start doing lives, and there will be sneak peeks of future looks and the looks that I've done in the past. And yeah, so it's a nice, fun little page. You can give me suggestions on that page if you would like. You know, talk to me. Do what you gotta do. So yeah, there's a link in my description box for that. So go like that page and join in on that fun. So yes, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you return for future videos because I love having you here. And I also hope that you have a great day. Bye.